there is one dielectric, second and third, capacitor 1, capacitor 2 and capacitor 3. Let us see how this is connected. This is a plate. First one is plus minus. First one is plus minus and second one is plus minus again plus minus, then only it will form a capacitance. So at capacitor, so this is plus 1 minus plus 1, it means these both are alternately plus and minus, these both are alternately making C2 and C3 are in series. C2 and C3 are in series. Now you see this positive terminal and this positive terminal are connected together. It means this one positive and positive connected together. It means this and this. Its negative is connected with this one. Positive, negative, negative and negative. It means this is connected in parallel. C1 is connected in parallel. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. This positive terminal connected here, this negative terminal connected here, this and these are parallel and these are in series. Simple, the circuit is over. Now we have to calculate the equivalent. How we will calculate the equivalent? This is K1. K1 is occupying entire D. So it is having a separation between the plate is D and the area is half the area of the plate. So it is half the area of the plate. So C1, what is C1? So C1 is equal to epsilon naught into area. Area is equal to A by 2 divided by D into its K1. Okay, so this is equal to epsilon naught. It is having half the area, epsilon naught into A divided by D into K1 by 2 is equal to C naught, where C naught is equal to capacitor also here, epsilon naught A by D. See, this is equal to C naught into K1. What is K1? K1 is equal to 4 divided by 2, because K1 is given 4 by 2 is equal to 2 into C naught, that is C1. What about C2? Let us see C2. C2 is this one. C2, it is occupying half the area of the plate into half the distance, D by 2. So C2 is equal to epsilon naught into area is A by 2 divided by D by 2 into K2. K2 how much? K2 is 3. K2 is 3. So this cancels, is equal to exponent naught A by D into 3 is equal to 3 C naught. 3 C naught. C3 is equal to 3 C naught. C3 is equal to 3 C naught and C1 is equal to 2 C naught. How about C3? C3 is equal to, C3 is occupying half the distance, that is D by 2 and half the area, that is A by 2. It will also come same. C3 is equal to epsilon naught into A by 2 divided by D divided by 2 into K3. K3. So it's equal to this cancel, epsilon naught A by D into K3. K3 is 6. Is equal to 6. This is equal to C naught. This is equal to 6 C naught. 6 C naught. So this and these are parallel. Now this and these are parallel. It means 6 C naught and 3 C naught are parallel. This is 3 C naught and 6 C naught are in parallel. So this equivalent circuit, we will talk this one into, this is 2 C naught and equivalent circuit. Equivalent. The equivalent circuit, equivalent is equal to multiply these two, that is 6 C naught into 3 C naught and add these two, C naught plus 3 C naught is equal to 18 C naught divided by 9 is equal to 2 C naught, because this C naught will come out, this is C naught square, get cancelled, 6 plus 3, 9, 6 into 3, so this is equal to, C equivalent is equal to 2 C naught. Positive, negative, positive. Now, these and these are in parallel. These are in series. We converted into single circuit. This and this equivalent and this equivalent and these are in parallel. Parallel means, so C dash, the net capacitance is equal to, this is equal to 2 C naught, 2 C naught parallel with another 2 C naught is equal to 4 C naught, because 2 C naught plus this 2 C naught is equal to 4 C naught is equal to 4 into epsilon naught A by D. This is therefore C dash net equivalent capacitor is equal to 4 into epsilon naught A by D, or 4 times of C naught.